Hey, hi there, it's Kanyisa again. Okay, so let's talk about testimonials. Do you use testimonials to promote your business? If not, definitely that's something that you might want to include on your posting strategy, because testimonials are actually very powerful, right? And you can use them in different forms. You can use a picture that shows a before and an after, and you can use a video where somebody really just talks about how life used to be before they got your opportunity or your product, and how life is after the product. And maybe you can even use a story where you just tell somebody's story. The good thing about testimonials is that they are visual. People get to see what exactly is happening, how other people are experiencing your opportunity, and it really just gives more weight to your story that you are telling. So testimonials, very good for posting strategy.